Hey everybody, Fred here with redlineautosports.com. This is our 68 Mustang convertible. This car is virgin, original floors, trunk, quarters, original glass, power top, and it's white and it just glides up. All of the gauges work. Original steering wheel, original dash pad, very nice door panels. It's the two-tone blue interior. Absolutely awesome car. The paint is amazing on this car. Original AM radio, original floor shifter. She holds the road well at 70 miles an hour. This is Caleb driving. There's your two-tone blue interior, the boot. In case you've never seen it, we're about to drive by Redline Auto Sports. All the sign poles and stuff, pretty cool place. All right, that concludes our test drive. Thanks. Y'all have a blessed and awesome day.